The work begins with a careful inspection of the Vindum valve assembly. The valve body, connections, and bolts are checked for corrosion, damage, contamination, or signs of leakage. Next, the bolts are loosened carefully using the appropriate tools. Each bolt is removed one by one while maintaining the valve in secure position. After removing the bolts, the components are separated carefully to avoid damaging the sealing surfaces or internal parts. The removed bolts and components are arranged properly for inspection and cleaning. The work continued carefully removing the seals and O-rings from the Vindum valve assembly. First, the sealing areas were cleaned to remove dirt and residue. Using the appropriate tool, each O-ring was carefully lifted from its groove without scratching or damaging the sealing surfaces. The seals were then removed one by one and placed in a clean container for inspection. Each seal was checked for wear, cracks, cuts, deformation, or hardening. After removal, the grooves and contact surfaces were inspected and cleaned to prepare the valve for installation of new seals and O-rings. First, the sealing grooves are cleaned and checked to ensure they are free from dirt, debris, and damage. The old O-rings are replaced with new ones of the correct size and specification. A thin, even layer of compatible valve grease is then applied to the O-rings and sealing surfaces. This helps reduce friction and prevents the O-rings from being damaged during installation. The new O-rings are carefully positioned into their grooves, making sure they are properly seated without twisting or stretching. Finally, the components are inspected to confirm that the O-rings are correctly installed and properly lubricated, ready for the final assembly and testing of the Vindum valve. The assembly process begins after all Vindum valve components have been thoroughly cleaned, inspected, and prepared. First, the new O-rings and seals are carefully positioned into their designated grooves. A compatible grease is applied to the sealing surfaces to help prevent damage and ensure smooth installation. Next, the internal components are installed carefully and aligned correctly inside the valve body. The valve components are then reassembled step by step, following the proper orientation and sequence. The retaining parts are tightened securely using the appropriate tools, ensuring the valve is properly assembled without over-tightening. Finally, the valve is checked for proper alignment, smooth operation, and correct sealing. The completed Vindum valve is now ready for installation and performance testing.